Dr. Vijay Bhaskar, Chairman, Ethics Committee, Clinical Research and Trial, Orthopedic Surgeon and Spine. Today we are discussing about the diabetes and joints. Obviously, bone and joints are most important parts of our body which maintains the stature of the body. Diabetes is a chronic disorder which hampers due to non-production of the insulin in our body, leads to excessive sugars, excessive glucose in the tissues, cells and blood circulation. That leads to the damage to the cells. So obviously, when there is a increase in the glucose levels in the body, there is a possibility of aggravation of infection in our body, damage to the nerves, damage to the bone ends, damage to the organs. So obviously among them, the joints of the body is most important. When there is an infection or existing bacterial or viral or a fungal or a microorganisms or tuberculosis, any infection is presence with the diabetes, uncontrolled diabetes, these pathological organisms will increase its own. The glucose which excessive in the body increases the virulency of the bacteria, virus or fungi or any other sepsis. So obviously what we say is when there is a trauma, when there is an injury, there is a possibility of blood clot in the joint or the bones. When there is uncontrolled sugar, due to external injury or internal injury, there is a collection of the blood clot which attacked by the bacteria leads to sepsis of that part. Whether it's the joint or bone, that sepsis takes place. That leads to osteomyelitis, bone infection. So that is one of the most dangerous when there is a diabetes with the infection. So we must control the diabetes where the fasting blood sugar within 100, the post-lunch sugars within 180 to 200. So that is the way the bones minerals like vitamin D, calcium and minerals will be less in the body, also aggravates the diabetes. So diabetic will also aggravates the deficiency problems. So hence we should treat deficiency minerals as well as the diabetes together so that your body maintains in a neutral position to avoid other complications.